If you haven't seen us before, we're Ben and Sarah from Pack Lunch and Travel, taking you with us on scenic road trips around the globe, searching for waterfalls. In today's video, we're going on an unforgettable boat tour through the majestic Milford Sound in New Zealand. This is the top attraction in the whole country, and with the potential to see several iconic waterfalls in one trip, there's no way we were going to miss it. The nearest place to stay is Te Anau, a 2-hour drive from Milford, which is an attraction in itself. And in our last video, we drove the stunning road, stopping off at walks and waterfalls along the way. Today, it's all about just getting there. We've got tickets booked on the first boat of the morning, and the sky couldn't look better. It's going to be a good day.
Perfect way to start. There it is. Sun beaming on it now.
Yeah, oh my god, it looks gorgeous. When you just started messing, it's blowing amazing.
is, look at that. That is absolutely beaming down. The boat is going to go into the heart of this waterfall. It could be absolutely drenched. But how many other times we're going to go under a waterfall like this? We are searching for waterfalls around the world.
We found a good one here.
We're going right into this. Are you ready? That's incredible! We've dried out from our epic waterfall shower.
Yeah.
Incredible Stirling Falls there.
Oh my goodness. Do you think that was your favourite one
It's
ever?
my favourite one.
Even tops Niagara.
I think it did. The way the water just absolutely plunges you.
We did go right underneath it, which was really cool.
Wasn't it?
Yeah, and we booked the tickets with Cruise Milford, and we thought they were a little bit more expensive than some of the other cruise companies, but I think it might have been worth it.
I paid $150 each, plus a bit of tax. We did find some at 125,
Yeah.
130, but this boat holds 150 passengers, and they only allow 75 on at a time.
On
So
any sailing.
yeah, so it felt pretty spacious, to be honest. Really.
That was the thing, wasn't it? I mean, we were up at the top and there was only 8 people probably maximum up there, so you could move around very easily to each side of the boat to get a picture of anything that you wanted, and it felt very calm. Yeah.
So I think it's worth paying an extra $10 or $20 for our experience.
I think you're right. And we saw some of the other boats going out and they were pretty full up the top and probably underneath as well, so yeah, we did a good pick on that.
Yeah, so Cruise Milford, recommend that one.
It's like one of the main reasons we wanted to come on it.
One of the top 3 reasons, and we've done all 3. North to South Island.
Oh my goodness.
Epic road trip.
But it's not over yet. There's still more to come. And we're going to go further south.
And there's a lot of waterfalls.
More waterfalls.
So that's where we're heading next.
As you would expect. More waterfalls.
Searching for waterfalls around the world.
So if you like the sound of that and you haven't subscribed yet, I don't know why you haven't, click subscribe, follow the journey. We're going all over the place looking for these waterfalls and bringing you the best content. And join us to see where we go next.